Hello friends, in this chapter we're going to study what do we eat and why we need to eat this kind of food. Necessities of life. What organisms need to get to continue their life. The human body is definitely the most complicated machine in the world. There is a perfect division of labor among body parts. So in human body parts help one each other to survive. A building is built of structural units called bricks. Similarly, human body built from structural units called cells. These cells organized in tissues in organs, and organs form different systems like muscular system, circulatory system, digestive system. And there are multiple life activities for a human to perform. We have a lot of daily activities to be performed to continue our life. And all these activities need energy to go on properly. Bioenergetics. All living things need energy to continue their life. Energy is the capacity to do work. Anything has more energy, they can do more work. Cells need energy to grow and reproduce. And because all organisms are also made up of cells, they also need energy to grow. Sun is the source of energy almost for all organisms. In photosynthesis, plants capture sunlight energy and convert it into chemical energy and store the sunlight energy in food. So plants can use sunlight energy directly by photosynthesis, but human and plants use this stored sunlight energy by plant in food. Why do you eat? You need food to carry out daily life activities because the energy and nutrients we need are stored in the food. There are 6 kinds of nutrients in food: proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Carbohydrates, fats, and proteins use it as energy sources. Vitamins, minerals, and water use it for regulation of normal body functions. Metabolism. Metabolism is the sum of all the reactions in the cell. All life activities in cell are also called as metabolism. Metabolism can be divided into 2 parts: catabolism, which is breaking down of big molecules into smaller pieces, and anabolism, which is building bigger molecules from the smaller pieces. Anabolism and catabolism, 2 main types of metabolism. So all reactions happen in cell and human body and also other organisms, anabolic reaction or catabolic reaction. In anabolic reactions such as photosynthesis, big molecules are made from simple ones. In catabolism, such as cellular respiration and digestion, big molecules are broken down into simple ones. CO2 and H2O, small molecules, use it to make carbohydrates, sugar, bigger molecules. In catabolism, big carbohydrate sugar molecules burn it with oxygen to produce smaller water and CO2 molecules. Now we said there are 6 main types of nutrients in food: carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, water, proteins, minerals. Carbohydrates, sugars. Some food molecules made up of sugars called carbohydrates. Cells use carbohydrates as primary source of energy. So, if there are carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in cell, the first nutrients used to produce energy are carbohydrates. There are two kinds of carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are made up of one sugar molecule. Table sugar and sugar in fruits as well as honey contain simple carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are made of hundreds of sugar molecules. So, 100 of simple carbohydrates makes one complex carbohydrate. Plants store these complex carbohydrates in potato, like starch. Lipids. Lipids do not mix with water. They store energy, about twice more energy than carbohydrates, and also they found in the cell membrane. Fats and oils are lipids that store energy, and also fats and oils are two main types of lipids. Lipids are secondary source of energy for organisms. Fats and oils. Fats generally solid at room temperature. Oils are liquid at room temperature. Fats, most of fats are animal products. Most of oils are plant products. Butter is a good example for fats, which is solid in room temperature. And the source of butter is milk, animal. Oils, olive oil is a good example for oils. Also, it's liquid at room temperature. Proteins. Proteins are nutrients that found in plants and animals. One part of the body that needs proteins are our muscles. We need proteins to repair and build body parts. We generally not use proteins to get energy, but they can be used as source of energy after lipids. Some foods with protein are meats, fish, eggs, yogurt, beans, peanuts, broccoli, and green peas. Vitamins. Vitamins are essential to cellular metabolism. Many are protective against illnesses. We do not use vitamins as a source of energy, but we use vitamins to help body to get energy from other kind of nutrients. The functions of vitamins can be summarized as help body grow, help in maintaining overall body health, help normal functioning of the nervous, digestive, and also other body systems, support body immunity against diseases. Let's study vitamins one by one. Vitamin A. Vitamin A found in leafy vegetables, milk, carrot, and liver. Vitamin A helps us to see at night. In absence of vitamin A, we cannot see good at night, so it causes a disease, night blindness. Carrot or carrot juice, good for eyes. Vitamin B. Vitamin B found in peanut butter, meat, and whole grains. Vitamin B helps brain, nervous, and muscle function. Vitamin B deficiency causes anemia. Anemia is a disease which is absence or insufficiency of blood in the body of organism. Vitamin C. Vitamin C found in citrus fruits like lemons, orange, kiwi, and tomatoes. Vitamin C helps heal wounds. To scar and damaged body parts are healing fastly if we have enough vitamin C. Also, vitamin C helps body fight infections like flu. In deficiency of vitamin C, gum bleeding seen, which is called as scurvy disease. Vitamin D. Vitamin D found in milk, egg, fish, and liver. Vitamin D helps building strong bones and teeth. Vitamin D deficiency causes the disease called rickets. Rickets, a disease with about softness of bones. Bones are not enough solid and strong. Also, vitamin D can be produced naturally in human body when it exposed to the sunlight. For strong bones, we need vitamin D. Vitamin E. Vitamin E found in nuts, seeds, and leafy vegetables. Vitamin E helps muscles and nerves. Deficiency of vitamin C causes nerve damage. For a healthy brain and nerves, we need vitamin E. Vitamin K. Vitamin K found in dark green leafy vegetables and cabbage. Vitamin K helps stop bleeding. Deficiency of vitamin K, bleeding does not stop at the time, so person loses a lot of blood. To stop bleeding at a certain time, we need vitamin K. Minerals. Minerals found in meat, beans, nuts, fruits, and vegetables. Nearly all kinds of food contain some of the minerals. Minerals not used as source of energy, but they help body need minerals for every process. Like muscles need calcium, brain cells need sodium and potassium, blood need iron. Minerals help normal functioning of body parts. All kinds of food nearly contain some of the minerals. Water. Water also nutrient we don't use to get energy from it, but to get energy from other kinds of food we need water. Did you know 1/2 to 3/4 of the human body consists of water? So the percentage of water decrease than a certain level, the metabolic activities, metabolism stop, and organism die. Water. Water carries nutrients to cells and wastes out of body by blood, because about 40% of blood is water. Water regulates body temperature, especially by sweating in summer. Water dissolves vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. For a perfect digestive system, we need to get water. Lubricate joints. For a healthy skeletal system with best moves, we need water. It is recommended to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water each day, in addition to the water you get from the food.